Hello,
Hello, how can I help you?
I have a prescription.
Okay, may I see it?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Let me check.
Do you have this medicine?
Let me see.
Is there a problem?
Yes, we don't have this medicine right now.
Oh no, what can I do?
Don't worry.
Do you have something similar?
Yes, I have a similar medicine.
Is it the same?
It works the same way.
Is it safe?
Yes, it is safe.
Can I use it instead?
Yes, you can.
Do I need a new prescription?
No, this is a generic version.
What does generic mean?
It's the same medicine, just a different name.
Is it cheaper?
Yes, it is a little cheaper.
That sounds good.
Would you like to take it?
Yes, please.
Okay, I will prepare it for you.
How long will it take?
Just a few minutes.
Can I wait here?
Of course. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Is this medicine for pain?
Yes, it is for pain relief.
Is it strong?
It is medium strength.
How many times should I take it?
2 times a day.
Before or after food?
After food, please.
For how many days?
For 5 days.
Can I take it at night?
Yes, that's fine.
Will it make me sleepy?
Maybe a little.
Can I drive after taking it?
Better not drive right after taking it.
Okay, I understand.
That's good.
Can children use this medicine?
No, this one is for adults only.
What should I do if I forget a dose?
Take it when you remember.
What if I feel sick?
Stop using it and call your doctor.
Will this medicine help me fast?
It should help in 2-3 days.
Can I drink tea with it?
Yes, tea is okay.
Can I drink coffee?
Yes, but not too much.
Can I eat anything?
Avoid spicy food.
What about milk?
Milk is okay.
Will I need more after 5 days?
Ask your doctor if needed.
Is there a leaflet inside?
Yes, please read it carefully.
Can you explain the side effects?
Sure, you may feel sleepy or dizzy.
Any serious side effects?
Very rare, but call doctor if you feel bad.
What should I do if I feel dizzy?
Sit down and rest.
Should I take it with water?
Yes, with a full glass of water.
How should I store it?
Keep it in a cool, dry place.
Not in the fridge.
No, just room temperature is fine.
Is it okay to carry in my bag?
Yes, just avoid heat.
Can I give it to my friend?
No, never share medicine.
That's good advice.
Thank you.
Can I call you if I have questions?
Yes, this is our phone number.
Thanks. That helps a lot.
I'm glad to help.
Do I need to sign anything?
No, it's not necessary.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, card is fine.
How much is it?
It's $10.
That's not expensive.
Yes, it's affordable.
Do you have a bag?
Yes, I will give you one.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I will read the leaflet.
That's a good idea.
I will take it carefully.
Great, be safe.
Thank you for your help.
Anytime, take care.
Bye.
Bye, have a nice day.